Hello, ma'am. Hello, guys. My name is Hannah Marcham Lasa from Colanthawa, Marinduque, and I'm 20 years old.
What motivated you to take up this course or program?
I was motivated to take up this course because I'm passionate about growth, and I see it as a path to both personal growth and future career opportunities. I wanted to gain the right knowledge, skills, and experiences to make a meaningful impact in this area.
What specific career or role in your program you're interested in pursuing?
I'm aiming for a career in HR that allows me to apply my learning through leadership, strategic planning, and people management. I'm particularly interested in roles like HR business partner, talent acquisition specialist, learning and development officer, or organizational development analyst. I wanted to help build strong teams, shape a positive workplace culture, and support both individual and organizational growth.
What you hope to learn from your program?
I hope to gain both theoretical knowledge and practical skills that will prepare me for real world or HR challenges. This includes key concepts like labor laws, organizational behavior, developing HR techniques, strengthening communication and leadership abilities, and also enhancing strategic thinking and adaptability. I aim to be great not just for employment, but excel in a role that supports people and creates impact in an organization.
What skills or knowledge you expect to gain?
What skills or knowledge I expect to gain? I expect to gain a strong mix of technical skills, communication skills, and practical knowledge from this program. This includes understanding key HR principles, organizational behavior, labor laws, and strategic planning. And I also aim to develop essential skills such as communication, leadership, problem solving, time management, and data analysis. I hope to be fully prepared to manage both the people side and strategic side of a future HR role.
How you plan to apply these in real life or future work environments?
I plan to apply my knowledge and skills by effectively handling real-life workplace situations through strong communication, sound decision-making, and a solid understanding of HR principles. I aim to adapt to challenges, support employees' growth, and contribute to a positive and productive work environment. I strive to be a proactive HR professional to promote both employees' well-being and organizational success.
A thank you statement or personal quote motto?
What is my personal motto? My personal motto is stay grounded, keep learning, and lead with purpose.
Encouraging words for your classmates or teachers?
To my classmates, guys, keep believing in yourselves and never stop striving for growth. Every challenge is a step toward becoming the best version of who you're meant to be. We're in this journey together, so let's support each other, uplift each other, and inspire one another. Keep doing, guys. And for our teacher, thank you for your patience, wisdom, and dedication. Your guidance lights a path for our future, and we're truly grateful for everything you do. Let's keep moving forward with passion and purpose. Thank you.